Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by prepping the devices and environment. Connect to the router's admin page and verify it supports repeater or access point mode. Firmware updates often matter, so install any pending update first. Once done, plug the extender where the signal is strong but not full bars, roughly 1/3 of the distance to the dead zone, and keep it away from metal and microwaves. Make sure you have the router SSID, password, and channel information ready so configuration is faster and less error-prone. You now configure the extender itself. Log into the extender's web UI or mobile app, change the default admin password, and choose repeater, bridge, or access point mode depending on your goal. Repeater extends the same SSID, while AP creates a new network. Then match the router's security type and password, and either clone the SSID or name the extended network clearly. Once configured, set the channel to the router's channel or a less congested one and save settings. Then reboot the extender and the router to finalize the link. You finish by verifying coverage and resolving common failures. Walk through the target area, connect a phone or laptop to the extended SSID, and run a speed test. Confirm you get improved RSSI and acceptable throughput. If the extender fails to join, double-check SSID, password, and security type. Avoid automatic channel conflicts by setting channels manually. If problems persist, move the extender a few feet toward the router, update firmware, or perform a factory reset and reconfigure. One key troubleshooting tip: consult LED.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.